In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a custom Pine script indicator to TradingView. By the end, you'll have your own Pine script saved and applied to a TradingView chart so you can use it immediately. First, open TradingView. If you're in a browser, go to tradingview.com. If you're using the desktop app, launch it as you normally would. Wait for the home screen to load so everything is ready. Next, open a chart. From the top navigation, go to Chart. If you already have a chart open, you can stay on it. Any symbol will work here, so pick the market you want to test your indicator on. Give the chart a moment to load fully so you can see the price data and toolbars. Now click Pine Editor in the bottom panel. You'll find the Pine Editor tab along the lower edge of the screen. If the bottom panel is collapsed, click Pine Editor once to expand it. This opens the code editor where you can work with Pine script. You should see a blank file or a sample script. The cursor will be ready for input. From here, paste your custom Pine script code. Click once inside the editor to focus it, then paste the code you've copied. If there's any placeholder or example text in the editor, you can select it and replace it with your code so only your script remains. Make sure the entire script is included from the first line to the last without missing brackets or lines. A complete paste prevents common syntax issues when the script compiles. Once that's done, click Save and name the script. In the editor's toolbar, click the Save icon. A prompt will appear asking for a name. Type a clear, unique name you'll recognize later, such as the strategy or indicator name you use. Then confirm to save. This stores the script to your account so you can access it again under your scripts. If you don't see a prompt, look for the name field at the top of the editor and enter the name there before saving. Both saving now ensures you won't lose your work and makes it easier to find the indicator in the future. At this point, click Add to Chart. In the Pine Editor toolbar, select Add to Chart. TradingView will compile the code and apply the custom Pine script indicator to the active chart. Watch the top of the editor for any compile messages. If everything is correct, the indicator will appear either over the price chart or in a separate pane below it, depending on how the script is written. If you see an error message instead, the editor will highlight the line that needs attention so you can review the code you pasted. When the script is valid, the chart will update immediately with your indicator's plots, signals, or drawings. You can now see your custom Pine script indicator running live on the chart you opened. The script is saved, and it's added to the chart exactly as written. Your setup to add a custom Pine script indicator to TradingView is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.